Oh my gosh, guys, it's been a week since I last picked up this camera and it's Saturday and I am so tired. I don't know if you can tell by my eyes, but I am so tired. I went to sleep 2 hours later than I usually do and woke up at 7. So I went to bed at 12, so I've only had 7 hours sleep. I know that's a lot for some of you, and it usually was for me, but I've recently started changing my sleeping pattern so that I could get more sleep, and I usually get 8 to 9 hours sleep on most days. I'm honestly so tired. I mean, I could just go and sleep, but got to get to the farmer's market before it closes and before everything sells out, because there are certain stores that I've found that I like to get certain things from, and last week we went a little bit later and they were sold out, so I don't want that to happen again. I am so low today because Aussie is working. He's been working a lot of overtime lately. And so on my lonesome self today, hope that's not going to be a problem for you guys. Probably won't take the camera with me into this farmer's market because it's only just me and I don't want to carry everything, but you guys will come to the car park with me. I'm such a visual person, guys. I need to write things down because it just makes me feel better rather than just writing it in my phone. I want to write it down physically. This is my planning for our holiday in Christmas time. Mine and Aussie's. That's coming along well. And I had a job interview the other day, and these are all of my notes that I just had by me. And did I read any of them? I mean, I read some of them. And it was like an electronic interview. Like, I had to do the interview on the computer and there was no one on the other side. So it was basically me just recording myself, which is what I'm used to. That wasn't the problem. But it was just like a whole new process. I've never had an interview like that where I've just had to record myself. The answers just pop up on the screen and then you have, you know, a few seconds to prepare and then answer. It was weird, but hopefully I did my best. I've got the worst handwriting. I'm always so envious of people from New Zealand because all of people from New Zealand have like the best handwriting. Honestly, they do. Okay guys, we're on our way now. You know what I did? I wrote down my list and then I took a photo of it because there's just something about writing down lists that really ingrains into your brain. So like I still got it on my phone, but I wrote it down. It's a list of what I wrote down. Oh, I'm so tired, guys. As soon as I get back, I'm gonna go back to bed, I think. I could take these bags and put my grocery shopping in. I really wish that I had a trolley kind of thing, because some of these veggies are just so expensive. And then my mum calls me, says she wants like a big sack of oranges. Mum, I can't carry that all. Guys, I just got back to my car. That was so hard. I had to carry these 2 heavy bags down there and that sack of oranges, and I'm just, oh, it was so hard. I was like puffing on my way here. And I don't think I'm going to be coming alone this time, or I'm going to invest in a granny trolley. You know those granny trolleys? They see grannies pulling. But I got a lot of what I needed. One of the stores I spent $55 just getting biodynamic organic. So I got broccoli from there, strawberries and spinach, and that cost me $55. I can't believe I did that. I didn't just get one. I mean, like I got 3 bags of spinach, 2 massive florets of broccoli, and I got 2 big punnets of strawberries. So that's all right. I mean, strawberries are usually expensive, but organic, yeah, you're looking at $10 a punnet for that. And I just posted something on my Instagram, but the reason why I am putting so much effort and so much money into organic foods is because a lot of the insecticides, pesticides, fungicides, all of the sides that people are spraying with their veggies and stuff, that actually seeps through into the fruit. There's no way that it isn't seeping into the fruit. And if you have like PCOS or you're estrogen dominant, these pesticides, fungicides, all these chemicals, they're estrogen mimickers. So when your body consumes them, it recognizes those chemicals as estrogen, and that's why it can cause a lot of imbalance in a woman's menstrual cycle, because your hormones have become imbalanced. Estrogen is a hormone. Your body makes estrogen. So if you're now putting more estrogen in there, then it's going to cause an imbalance with progesterone. So that's just a little tip. I mean, you guys can research it, but if you have PCOS or you have heavy periods, then I would highly suggest doing your research about cutting out estrogen mimickers. Just do your research if you want to. I mean, I'm not here to judge anyone, just here to help and give you guys what I've been learning. I'm just trying to look after my health. Okay guys, finally home. I'm about to pack up the washing. What the heck is wrong with me? I'm so tired. I'm about to pack up the shopping. I love going to the farmer's market. It's just coming home because I know that I have to wash and put everything away. Just like the washing process is such a process, but it needs to be done. I got these oranges left over from last week. The only reason why I got that other new big sack is because my mum asked me to. So I'm gonna juice these for Aussie, because he's at work at the moment, and when he comes home he can have a nice cup of orange juice. I'm probably going to go to Target. I need to get some glass spray bottles because I'm going to be making some DIY cleaning products, because look, I know that I said Branch Basics before, but I realized when I went to order it a couple nights ago that they don't actually ship outside USA, so that went out the window. And then Thieves Young Living, I don't know, something like that, Young and Living, Thieves brand. Tried to order like so many times and it just would not let me check out. Like, it just kept refreshing. Every time I went to the cart, it would just remove my item. So I was like, you know what, stuff it. Maybe Lord's trying to tell me I don't need to spend $270 on some cleaning products. Maybe I just need to go and buy my own and DIY it myself. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Vicolia channel, because I'll be most likely filming that DIY on that channel. My hands are so sore. So this is what it is so far. I've already squeezed 4 oranges, and this is what I got out of 4 oranges. I don't have one of those, you know, lemon orange squeezer things. I was going to go and pick up my mum's, but that's a lot of effort, so I'm just doing and using my hands. I just called my mum because I'm trying to look for any excuse not to pack this stuff away. But then I realized I'm gonna have to wash these, cut them, drain them, so I might as well go and get that salad cleaner. It's like where you wash your salad, put it in a bowl, and the bowl's in another bowl, and then you spin it and it gets all the water off. But got some lady fingers and some avo, yummy eggs, and this other big floret. I don't even know how much these were. I think these were like 20 bucks. 20 bucks for these two. But you know what? I ain't even pressed about it, because I would spend 20 bucks on a meal. So whatever. This broccoli should last me about a week. And these are the strawberries that I got. They were $10 a punnet, which I think is pretty good, because a lot of the strawberries at the place aren't even organic. So what you're looking at here, these 2 strawberries, these 3 bags of spinach, and these 2 broccolis cost me $55. I came to pick up my little thing. This is what I'm talking about. Because I don't like having like soggy salads. You know what I'm saying? And you spin that and gets all the wet off. But when I came here, my mum was saying that she wanted to go to the farmer's market this morning with me. When I called her, but she had the kids, and now that the kids are going, she wants to go. So I'm going back to the farmer's market with my mum and dad. And Eben boy over here. Yeah. I also forgot to get Aussie some apples, yeah. So I'll get apples as well. Yeah. You want to put your belt on, mate? Hey, Eben.
Hi.
Say, what's your name?
Ebenezer Elimkara, and I can spell my name. E-B-E-N.
Oh, you're so cute. Eben, short for Ebenezer, isn't it?
Yeah. But Mari got 3 names, I got 3 names.
Hey, mommy.
And I got Evan Hazel. That's what I got. That's all 3
This
names.
man watering his plants while we're trying to go. My happy.
6 plus 6.
What does that equal?
6 plus 6 equals 12.
Wow.
Plus 5?
10 plus 5. 10 plus 5 equals 15.
You are so clever. How old are you?
4.
Wow, I am shocked. Okay guys, so we've finished up at the markets. We had a nice little picnic there. My parents bought some sausage rolls and stuff, and then my dad was angry because he was like saying he spent 50 bucks there but doesn't know what the 50 bucks went on, and he was blaming us, saying all we wanted was food, and now he didn't get what he wanted, which was plants. Then on our way home in the same suburb, like 2 minutes from our house, we saw this sign and it was like plant sale. So we're here at this plant sale place. Oh wow, these are so pretty. Dad, yeah. This was 30 bucks and he was like, this is more worth it. And look, oh my gosh, my guy's so thick.
Thank you.
Hey. Did you go like that? See if I get out, Stevie. Yeah.
What's your husband?
He's at work.
Okay, we're gonna go and do our fire.
Oh, okay. Bye. Alright. This is where I get my green thumb from, man. My dad just loves his garden. All these flowers. So pretty, Dad. Your garden's so beautiful. So pretty. This is my favorite one. Okay. That works. No, because I told Daniel I'll go fishing with him today.
Huh?
I told Daniel I'll go fishing with him today. Mom, it's like that one there. Yeah, my dad planted a peach tree here.
Huh?
From a seed. It's grown. Peach. No, because people will come and pick it.
Yeah. Why?
My dad's heart is just something different. Alright, I'm going now. Oh, that one's so pretty, that little one.
Coi đúng mừng á. Thì miếng á.
Lạc với động với ngài mang cái gì hả? Biết đi.
Why do you wait after say bao?
Afi.
O square lo ko pele nga wai. Lo kors fulu nga.
Là phạ cu đúng bả.
Về mấy. Kiểu về mấy poco yo lu kinga, về là không về quên. Mà là gì?
My dad made this little rock thing.
Carnation.
Carnation.
Lấy xong liền miếng. Đó.
Vậy đã alo mấy ông còn làm bao nhiêu phẩm? Alo mấy còn làm suốt.
Alright, I'm out of here. Wait, Mom! Eben's still here! Eben, what for you? You wanna come to my house?
Yeah.
Okay, give the phone to Nanny.
Wait. I need to get my iPad, then I'll come back.
Okay.
Okay, I'll get my iPad.
Okay.
Because I want to get my iPad. If I get tired, I'm gonna fall asleep. Then you're gonna take me back home.
Okay.
So that's why I'm getting my iPad.
Alright. Okay, little man over here wanted to come with me. Okay, so we've got all these veggies to clean. And Eben's going to be helping me. Yeah. I'll get this, Eben. Don't touch it. Just wait for me, okay?
Okay.
Do not touch that. Evan?
Yes?
Don't touch it.
I did.
Good boy.
I'll Tom.
Oh, okay.
I'm a Misty Robot-y. Boom, boom, boom. I think
I'm going to be cleaning all of this lettuce stuff. This is what I went to go and pick up from my parents. This is mine from 3 or 4 years ago. Got my little helper here.
you like that?
Yep. Wait. Let me pour out the water that's there. See, look at all that water. You guys see it?
Oh, yeah. See it.
That's what I'm not trying to have on my spinach.
What happens if you have the water on your spinach?
Doesn't taste nice.
Then you have
Okay,
to buy another one.
Ready? Go. You have to go around like this. You just broke it off. You little... Go.
Sorry.
Go like this. Ready? No. You're pulling too hard. You have to go on the top like this. Put it on the top. Don't go like this. Go like this. Yeah. And then... No, Evan!
I'm trying.
No, just go like this.
Hey.
Keep going. You got it now? I'll see if there's any more water in there. There still is, guys. Back in the bag it goes, all nice and dry.
My favorite color is green.
Green, I thought it was brown.
Not green. And Zara's favorite color is red.
Red?
Yeah.
I don't like red.
Well, Zara does, and I like green. Which color is your favorite?
Purple.
What?
Daniel's calling.
Yeah.
My other nephew's calling me. Hello? Now,
Vicky, do you have some ice block? Yeah.
are you coming over or what?
What? Can you buy a kid's fishing hook for me?
A kid's fishing hook?
For me to catch a fish. If you stay at the beach all day, when you get to nighttime and you stand in water, sharks have glowing eyes when it's nighttime.
Guys, so I got my smoothie here. Evan got his right there. And what do you think about your smoothie, Evan?
So yummy.
So yummy?
Yeah.
He made his own smoothie. He just wanted strawberries and milk. Mine certainly isn't as nice as his because I got broccoli in here.
My dad calls my mom Cookie.
Or is she my grandma?
You mean my mom?
Yeah, is she my grandma?
But my mom's not old.
Just finished having a shower, guys. I'm so tired. I had a little nap. Uelese playing his game and watching rugby, and I'm about to edit this vlog. I was meant to take the little ones to the lake to fish, and bingo's on in a couple of hours, so I was like, I don't know. I still may, because Darnell keeps calling me. Actually, let me call him. I'll see if he's still keen. Morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. Home from church now. We've been home for about 45 minutes. Quickly got lunch cooking. We worked as a team. Teamwork is a dream work. So I made some beef curry with potatoes. Uelese's making lamb ribs and potato salad. And yeah, made myself a smoothie. Look at me, still in my church clothes. Still in my church clothes. As soon as I walked through this door, I came straight into the kitchen, literally into the door, into the kitchen. This guy's been, you know, bouncing around, doing what he wants.
Don't tell people you lie. I just come straight here, get up the potatoes for food, Dave.
Baby!
What up, guys? It's your boy Chochi. Yeah, we just finished cooking our lunch for the Sunday. So now you can see it, guys. It's rice and curry. Big bowl of curry here. And some ribs as well.
Lamb ribs.
Yeah, lamb ribs. You can see it's nice.
Also made the lamb ribs.
Yeah.
This one's my lunch here.
That's
Trying to lay off the carbs, so
yeah. And we're having salad, cucumber here.
it's not a salad, honey.
Yeah. We're just having cucumber to eat with this food. This is the delicious food for the lunch. So yeah. How do you feel about your food?
I love it.
Love it.
Yummy.
Especially the curry is nice and spicy. Very spicy. Pero ko ay kada pingaki. Why? Wow, lalo awala.
Guys, I really just wanted to get this vlog out and up before I head off to bingo. My mum's calling me saying bingo's on. And I don't know, I just really want to get this vlog done. I don't want to wait another day. So hopefully you guys are watching this on a Sunday if I did get it up. But before I end it off, I'm going to do comment of the day. Aussie's just on the phone at the moment. So I thought I'd sneak off and do comment of the day quickly because my mum called. So this comment of the day is the most recent comment they just posted, and it goes out to Tali. It's a long one, so please pause if you need to read it, but it was so sweet. Thank you so much, Tali, and to your husband. Yep, your husband. I was going to say boyfriend, but your husband. And if I have it right, I don't know much, but I did read the comment out to Aussie, and Aussie said, is it Tawa? And so we're just going to assume it's Tawa. So hi, Tali and Tawa. I hope I didn't just pair your name with some random, but let us know in the comments down below if that is you. Thank you so much for commenting. Thank you everyone for commenting. Thank you for your messages, and it's so lovely seeing so many people miss us when we don't upload, but we're really trying to upload a bit more and to get back into it. I feel like we should just upload at least once a week to keep the consistency going, instead of uploading all 3 in 1 week and then nothing for like 3 weeks. So we're hoping to do like 1 or 2 vlogs weekly, and at the moment the day that works best for me is a Wednesday or a Thursday, because we have the weekend to film and then those couple of days after work evening to edit. So let us know what days you think works best for you guys and when you would like to, but generally I'm thinking Wednesday or Thursday evening is when you should get a vlog from us. Okay guys, stay blessed. Thank you so much for staying loyal to us, our SV squad. We love you guys so much. SV squad signing out.